Welcome back to another unboxing on Real Bike Stories, and today we are going to unbox the Oxford Oximiser 900, the 888 Anniversary Edition. They retail in shops at $49.99. Let's get it open. So the Oxford Oximiser 900 is an essential battery management system, and it's designed specifically for smaller batteries such as those used on motorcycles and ATVs. And if we swivel this open and pop the box open, so inside the box, we've obviously got the battery charger itself with the 3-pin UK plug. It takes a 3-amp fuse in that. There'll be the battery connections for the bike, and then a user manual there, which we can take a look at in a moment. So if we open this up here, we have a standard UK 3-pin plug. I understand from other markets that you will receive the plug which is correct for your country. We have the battery connection wires. So in this case, we have screw type connectors, so they connect directly onto your bike's battery, and it has an inline fuse in there with a waterproof 2-pin connector which connects onto the battery charger here. So the charging unit itself has a number of key features which we'll quickly run through. So it has ventilation ports across the top of the device, which allows air to circulate around it and reduce any risk of overheating in the device itself. The main feature here is the LCD display, which will show you your current voltage, charging status, and the condition of your battery. Down here is a power light, so it'll show you that the device itself is receiving power from your 3-pin plug. You have a light control button here, which will switch on the backlight or switch it off. You've got a warning signal over here, which checks for the connection to the bike, so to make sure that you've connected the negatives and the positive correctly. And then you have your air induction cooling system down the bottom, so it draws in cool air, filters it through, and then obviously comes out the ventilation here. The ports on the device, we have your plug connector there, so that's where you connect it to your mains, and up the top is that connector for the bike battery. So as with all Oxford's products, the device itself is really well built. You can feel the quality there. I've handled many battery chargers in my motorcycle career, and the Oximiser is by far one of the best on the market. At a low retail price of $49.99, it's very, very good value for money. It's got some key features, so it can be left connected to your bike all year round to guarantee the good care of a battery. It's got the easy to read LCD display. It can quickly check the battery life and gives you a quick readout on the indicator without having to go through the whole charging cycle. And it obviously checks for your safety that you've connected the battery terminals correctly, which a lot of battery chargers don't do that are out on the market at the moment. So the user manual that comes with the battery charger, it seems it's written in 500 different languages, but it goes through all the key features that we've just been through on the charger, and then it goes into how to use your charger, how to get the best benefit from the product, and then some technical specs at the end. My overall rating on this battery charger is it's very, very good. and I personally own one and use it quite regularly. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, why not hit the subscribe button and then the bell icon to get notified of the latest videos and exclusive content from our channel.